To replace the maintenance station on your printer, first go to the maintenance page of your touchscreen panel and select regular maintenance. After confirming that you wish to perform maintenance, hold the power button for several seconds until you are prompted to power down your printer. After you power down your printer, come to the rear of your printer and flip the power switch off. Once your printer is fully powered down, open the hood of your printer. You will first need to remove the maintenance station. Start by removing the gray cables on the side of your printer. Then pull back the clasp and remove the waste tube. Next, push in the clip on the blue and orange cable bundles and unplug the cables. Then unscrew the top two blue screws. And then remove the old maintenance station. Place your new maintenance station into your printer so that it carefully lines up the holes with the two metal posts. Secure it using your screws. Then, reattach your blue and orange cable bundle. Followed by your waste ink removal tube and your gray wire bundle. Once all of your wires and tubes have been reattached, close the hood of your printer and power it back up.